You can fix IP authorization link has expired problem on your Discord. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead to your app store and search for Discord. Now, after you find Discord, just make sure that you've updated it to its latest update. And after you update it, just check your Wi-Fi connection. Now, that problem might arise due to your Wi-Fi not being connected properly. So after you check all of those, what you can do is try again to log in into your Discord. And after you try to log in, if the problem is still there, what you can do is just try to log in your browser. So just go to your browser and type in Discord and just go to its login page. And after you go to its login page, just log in to its website. So after you do that, your problem might get fixed, but if it does not get fixed, it might be due to a problem in the Discord server. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.